As I'm getting older, I'm getting really interested in setting up living trust, learning more about estate planning. So this book was actually sent to me for review. Thought the timing was perfect on it because, again, something that I am personally very interested in. So this is a very easy book. It is designed for beginners. So again, it's going to introduce the concepts to you and really give you the fundamentals and the foundation knowledge. It is an easy read. It's about 145 pages total. And then you do have a really, really good table of contents in here. So if you're looking for a specific area or just information about taxes or probate, etc., that's all in here. So it has a lot of good information on just writing a will, setting up a will, maintaining that, customizing it, doing the trust, maintenance, and then also the tax information, right? Because that's super important. You want to make sure that you're saving when you can. And also the probate, just to make sure that you're ensuring a really smooth transition for that next generation. But then also gives you some case studies in here. So just say that there's some challenges that you're running into as you're setting up some of these areas and some of these items. It walks you through some possible solutions, which is really helpful. So I really like this book. Again, it gives you a lot of really good information and that fundamental knowledge. Very easy to get through, and you have a lot of information in here. So definitely recommend if you're in the market for learning more about living trusts and estate planning.